A healthy immune system works like body armor, protecting us from the threats that constantly bombard us. When we feel well, it's easy to forget this incredible natural defense system is at work. We don't pay much attention until something changes and we feel like we need the extra support. If something makes it past your defenses, you can respond with these simple, effective, and natural ways to keep your household comfortable. With the doTERRA Respond Kit, you can have the support you need when you need it most. Clinical and experimental research has shown that when ingested, lavender essential oil may aid in both preparing for sleep and helping you wake. doTERRA Breathe is enriched with a series of oils that promote feelings of clear airways and easy breathing while minimizing the effects of seasonal threats. Adaptive is a proprietary blend of wild orange, lavender, copaiba, spearmint, magnolia, rosemary, neroli, and sweet gum, which can help you adapt to stressful situations. Add lemon essential oil to a spray bottle of water to cleanse door handles, countertops, and surfaces that are regularly used. Lemon's powerful cleansing properties can also support healthy digestion when taken internally. Combine it with a drop of peppermint oil and water for a healthy, refreshing mouth rinse. When taken internally, copaiba can provide antioxidant support and help soothe the immune, digestive, and nervous systems. Frankincense is often referred to as the king of essential oils because of its powerful health benefits. Take it internally to support your immune system.